Okay, we're walking back now from our walk. As you can see down here, it's real icy. You just kind of got to take it slow and shuffle step. Sometimes you go to the powder because the powder gives you traction. I've learned. We'll keep pressing forward. Here's a car. An SUV. I love it. Look over this way. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. No, it won't allow me to zoom in, but there's some icicles. Oh, I see a plane. Oh well. These are the adventures of Tony Foster. There's a cowboy to the left. Yep, we're in Texas. I love it. You can see the snow. It's just massive. What about the Ukraine and Pearl? We'll sit there.